Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is chicken tikka burrito or chicken tikka wrap with beautiful, flavorful, creamy green chutney. I went in a food joint and I saw chicken tikka burrito. So since then it is our family's favorite meal. So I thought of sharing this with you. This is a very unique and special recipe. So I hope you like this, and let's start with the ingredients. Okay, so I have taken 2 chicken breasts and about 1 to 2 inches of cubes here. Let's add the first base of marination. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, about 3/4 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Of course, we need some lemon for the first level of marination. So I've taken half of a lemon here. Now let's mix this well. And let it sit for about 15 minutes or approximately half an hour. Okay, so as you can see, my first marination of the chicken is done and it's resting for 15-20 minutes now. So let's move on to the next set of marination. I have all these ingredients. So this is 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, about 1.5 tablespoon of coriander and cumin powder. This is about 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, and half tablespoon of salt. Of course, we need some yogurt. I have taken 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and just to blend everything together, we need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. I have used mustard oil, but if you do not have mustard oil, you can use regular cooking oil. Let's mix this well and add the chicken and let it marinate for another 15-20 minutes. The longer it marinates, the better it gets. So if you have chicken wrap or chicken burrito in your mind, just marinate this in advance. Mix all the second layer of marination get to the chicken. Okay, so here is our 2-layered marinated chicken, and I'm going to get it cooked in a pan or skillet. Just like so. You can bake it in the oven or broil it in the convention oven as well, but the easiest way to do it is just get a pan or skillet, add some oil, and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. So what I do is added oil, added chicken, and kept it covered for about 3 minutes. Let it cook, and once one side is cooked, flip it to the other side, and this is how it looks. So this is my chicken tikka ready. While my chicken was marinating, I have cooked some rice here, some oil, because we have the spices of the chicken tikka right there, and I'm going to add some cooked rice in this. There you go. As you can see, I'm just going to let's saute this rice just for about 2 minutes in the spices of the chicken tikka. If you want brown rice, you can add brown rice instead of white rice. just for that extra binding in the wrap. And this will be a whole meal, so you have rice, chicken, and a bunch of other stuff. On the other side, I have chopped all these vegetables, so tomato, lettuce, onion, and coriander. And the secret ingredient here is a mixture of mayonnaise and green chutney. I just used the store-bought green chutney. That's it. And let's do the wraps now. For those who like spicy food, for them I've added salt and red chili powder in the rice. So I have this flour tortillas burrito, I think 8 counts, and you'll get it in any grocery store. If you do not have, just make Indian bread and assemble this burrito. So I have another skillet. We're just going to warm this up for about 1 minute, both sides. Alright, so in a minute, just flip it over to the other side, and on the other skillet which we had rice and chicken just warming up. You can totally make these 2 items ready in advance and just warm it up at the time of assembly. Okay, assembly time, fun stuff. So add this creamy chutney on top of the wrap, spread it over, add some chicken, rice, lettuce, tomato, onion, and coriander. One more line of this sauce and try to assemble. Now that's a tricky situation here, but we are going to do it. So press it just like this, fold it like this, and bring it here. Move all the stuffing towards you, and now you have the space. Make sure that you roll this up nicely. From the sides are already covered, so boom, this is how the wrap looks. Now you can eat as is, but I like extra crispy, so I'm going to go to the skillet. Just warm it up one more time. And here you go. As you can see, this delicious flavorful meal is ready. And of course, as you have seen, this is so easy. This is loaded with flavors. If you do not like chicken, you can add tofu or paneer or a bunch of vegetables like bell pepper, carrot, and maybe stuffing of potato. You can make your own burrito of your style and of your choice. This could be a travel food as well. You can wrap it in the aluminum foil and bring it along with you on a travel. And I cut one burrito for you, and this is how this looks from inside. Beautifully crispy, or little crispier outside, and of course flavorful inside. And do not forget to make this creamy green chutney. This goes well with this burrito. Once you make it, it will be your favorite dinner too, or favorite meal as well. This is my family's most favorite chicken tikka burrito, and we make it quite often. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.